Kahinyo Trap National Youth Movement HNYM haka khalai tri ulber arhaja arpusau kala lej banya kendu yo Chief Secretary ke jela uba Donald Philip Walang banya kren halor ke Jingthoh Shiliang karukom pentrai kam ya ke district level reservation policy haka baya day bat katungkam tungjam. Haba kran sikilat patai kubor hadin ke jingwan kendu uba Louis Dr. Dong o President ulaong. Baya kipos ki baya day bat kakam stenographer ha high court la yo lot daki judgment riu garo bat ongru bahabaya day bat karukom pentrai kam ya ke district level reservation policy ka kedau bagi try muluk ki diban yo hok ya ki kam ki bahap apo ke district. Ulaong ru baka sarkar ka diban simkhia ha ka baya day bat kani bat kam day ban penkala ya ke district level reservation policy.
The High Court of Meghalaya Shillong. Walaupun ni saltri umat cara sama. Bagi i benda kini pos kepada nang ni lai polai peligi pos yang lu garu. Pak Meghalaya High Court. Lak man sim ni kini mo. Tu kini kedai nampak ke pos stenographer grade 1. Nampak kini. Nampak susu. Kini ka stenographer grade 2. Stenographer grade 2. Kini origami ek saltri umat sejarah besar. Kini hang ni sepak lang pandai. Sepak sampu arngut kigaru sudah kira. Kini kedai hapo jang ka district East Hills, hapo Sora subdivision, bat kiwe gijaka hapo ka beri new trap kejungi. Hadian bangilai i kini ka jing mi jang kini ki kam ki interview bagi sakhot ikata ka calling letter nam ta written test. Ngiwan ikanu chief secretary da ka jing Kerman ba hadian bangilabu ya ka Jingthoh haga arpandai terik u benai me mensim senam arjar fulai bagi dia keran halor jong kene ke jing persyak jong keseng ya kita ke district level reservation policy ha ke district level ka an ka kedau syai ka ong ba 12% ha ke district level 12% la ai la load open category ya borok khot ki jai benrio mo kasih jantian garu kita hak ban apply ya ke kam hapo ke district level handrai ka om pat kumni kong ba preference should be given to the local residents of that particular district kene ga reception roster bi pen kre mo kene de kene kadai thek tangna ka banta jong ka 40% of state level job recruitment kamdai na ka banta jong ke district level dengan sekolah ngah bau Pak Cyril dingdo aru political secretary jongga jela mo uang ba em kani ga yak ngiyak da kani ka dina ka banta jongga 40-40 reservation in state level 40% for kasi janta 40% bergaru hari nak banta ke district level mla arte ban le ya kani ga roster kamar phile roster 40% or 80% bihable 80% tangba hangnya lada pibu on reserve, shubu umta on reserve kasih jentia garo kasih jentia lada pile akum ni kabamot ba ugaro yo dahi ra ketika bahak 40-40 ngila violate ya ka 2.2 jangka reception policy kaba ong preference should be given to the local resident of that particular district Hakaro Hills kibriyo jungi kimtre abarle namar kajing akakitin kathali bar kumjuro akajuk kapor kajing kibapon kita mo Sagaro Hills hanrai ki garo kinawan sene ki yo bait ka banta ban ru kam hapo kini ki grade 4 grade C grade D hapo ki kam juk district ki balong non transferable ya ki kam ki bomla ban transfer ha ki district mla ban aila ki wai pat ki banabar juk district bakin yo kam yo jam district jungi harai balai pat ya kini ka kamru labo reservation roster pat ba hana de banyo kaju ugaro khasi ya ke district level de kada ka borom yo chief secretary ngila pha Jingthoh anadu mansam snap arf kan latrik na person arjar fulai klam dan gano response bangila pen i hang tu ngi ong ba hang de ka office memorandum jong banai me arjar for pi ong ba He betha ya ki department concern ba fide ban bar khoi they ban modified accordingly ya ka reservation roster. De hanol a modify ken ngipan ya kata ka notification ha pila modify. Yang na ba hadu menta ngin sa ya pi na ngila modify gidan tang ha fide kiti language. Sibuk menta na garo lada khasi ulai apply sa garo habdan subject garo. Hab kerang garo dan nang kerang garo kamu layo dan nang kerang garo mio. Te kamu via baile dia ketika preference jong ka reservation hak district level ke preference should be given to the local particular local residents of that particular district. Dan ni kum ka sang hi ni persya pai ba. 2.2 considering the position as regard the district level post as stated above. The governor of Meghalaya is pleased to order that in respect of posts at the district level where the incumbents are not likely to be transferred outside the district of the original posting, there will be a combined reservation of 80% of the posts in favor of Garos in Garo Hills, Khasi Jaintia in Khasi Jaintia Hills, instead of a separate reservation of 40% each for Garos and Khasi Jaintias respectively, apart from 5% for such posts. Preference should be given 5% reservation in favor of other self-tribes and other self-castes. While selecting candidates for such posts, preference should be given to local candidates residing permanently in the district in which the vacancies occur. In other words, in Garo Hills, the whole combined reservation of 80% will be available to Garos in the absence of any interested candidate belonging to Khasi. Ha Garo Hills, proper person, ini awak tanggi Garo, ha kama syai Khasi bakin, one man apply. Hangne ka in the absence of any interested candidates, but belonging to the Khasi Jaintia community. And in Jawai or Shillong, the combined 80% reservation will be available to Khasi Jaintia in the absence of any interested candidates belonging to the Garo community. Kala syai hangne ba hapo Khasi Hills, but hapo Garo Hills ngidal la ijong ba berapa persen. Harai nga sekolah nga ba chips ke tri mentau ngi ba ngilapan kalang ngila modify no ya ketua ka baong ba yeti awards preference will be given to the local residents wang nang ngila kala compulsory no. Amla pan kala compulsory. Lada pan kala compulsory. Khasi jongi sati kinomyo berapa persen Garo kindan bet hangne kindan bagi Garo. Daya kata ka bang ngimla pan pedang dalil itu
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.